How are you, and welcome to Bluetooth 254, where in our today's tutorial we are going to learn on how to use Adobe Illustrator to fade some part of the photo or to make the part of a photo to be transparent. With me here I have my Adobe Illustrator open. Let's place a photo file. Click on this and place it. Let's use this one. Let's place it on our artboard like that. Then what you are supposed to consider is that this green color of her dress, we want to fade this one to the background. So yours is very simple. Click on rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to cover the photo like that. Then after you do that one, click on the rectangle again, and on your keyboard click on Ctrl and X to cut. Then click on the photo, head on to the transparency panel here, click on make the mask so that the photo is going to disappear. And while the photo is selected, click on this dark space where we have our mask now and press Ctrl V to paste the rectangle that we had cut previously, and that will control the behavior of our mask. So you can see now the photo has been refilled again. Now while this one is selected again, you are supposed to let's click on the gradient tool, double click it, and then we want to make the background this color, we want to pick the color of the dress, so we'll make this one green. Double click this one and put the green color, and then this one should remain the way it is. And we want also to make this one the transparency of the green color here to be 0%, and then you can toggle this one so that we can reverse the gradient. We bring the green here and then we take the white here, so click here, then clicking on the gradient tool, you can now drag it like that using your mouse to fade it. Just do it like that. Just play with it until you can fade it. Now we can use this one, bring the green color upwards like that. You can see now the green color of the dress is fading, and then just bring this one downwards a bit, same to this one to refill the face. Now after you are done with that one, we need now a green background. So what you are supposed to do, go to the transparency panel, click now at the photo, and then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like that. This rectangle we are going to give a green fill, and we don't need even a stroke. This green color, right click and then arrange, send to the back, and you can see the photo is fading to the green color because the edge of her dress was green, so it is fading the green color. Now we want to fade this green color also such that as we move upward here it becomes transparent, so that we can replace with maybe a color of the sky or something like that. So click on this photo and then double click on this gradient so that you can come here and add a gradient. So we want to bring this one and this one here. So this one is green and you want to make it 100%, and this other one again is green, but you want to make it see opacity of 0%, something like that. Now pick your gradient tool like that and draw it like that. You want to fade it upwards like that. Let us just fade it like that, and we can use these handles. Just move it a bit here. That is the background. We are just interfering with the background, not with the foreground, so we can just play it like that. Now after you are done with that one, now we need another background now to replace this white one. Remember this one is becoming white because the rectangle that we drew, the green one, is transparent at the top. So click on the rectangle tool again, draw a rectangle, maybe you make it a bit bigger like that, and this time round we are going to give it maybe a blue color, a completely blue color. Then right click it and send it to the back. So when you send to the back, you can see now that the background here is becoming blue because the upper rectangle is transparent at the top like that. Now maybe that blue is strong, we can minimize it, maybe something like that. Then after you are done with that one, maybe what is remaining is to add a caption or a text. So you can come here and maybe draw a line from here, just a line like that. Then you want to add the stroke to this line, maybe use yellow. Then we can increase the stroke color, the strength of the stroke maybe to 4 points. Then we duplicate it by holding Alt in your keyboard, just duplicate it like that, so that we can just put a caption there. So I have a text which we can place it here. So let us use maybe a Bible verse like that. Let me copy it, then we can paste it here. So click on the text type tool and click here, then Ctrl V to paste it. And now you play around with the font that you want to use. So like this one, we can use, let us use that particular font, maybe just to edit it. Click here, then increase this one maybe to maybe 27, and then this other one we can increase it just something like that, and maybe we do it like that, and then we move this one down a bit using the keyboard arrows, and this one up, and maybe we change the color of the font. For the book we can use white, and then we use white for that one. Then for the book we use maybe black color, something like that, and then put a full stop here, put a full stop there, and you are done with that. So maybe for the yellow line, click on the stroke and choose the profile which is tapering like that. Same to this other one, click on the stroke. For the profile, choose this one, and that is what you have done so far. You can select this one and this one and the text, and then you position it. Maybe bring it downwards a bit like that. You position it like that, and maybe you want to add something like a frame or something like that. You can add a frame. Maybe you click on the pen tool and click here, holding shift on your keyboard, click here and also click here and also click here and also click here. Then remove the fill. You don't want any fill, so you remove the fill, but you enable the stroke. Maybe use a white stroke, and then you come now to the strokes here, and you choose, maybe for the frame you can choose that one. Then you reduce the size of the stroke, just reduce it like that. Now for the text, select the text and click on the type. Then you make what you call create outlines, and then for these shapes you can expand the appearance object, then they expand the appearance like that. Then you export it, file, click on file, then export. You can export as maybe if you are printing, you go for JPEG. Then we can use the artboard, then export it like that. So for printing we choose CMYK, but if it is for uploading for social media, whatever RGB is the best. Then you click on OK. So your photo has been exported to this place. I thank you very much for watching Blue Drops 254 tutorials. Continue subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you are notified wherever we make such tutorials. Big up and have a nice time.